Hello everybody, it's Touch104 here and welcome to my video. In this video I will be doing an unboxing of a prize which I was lucky enough to win, which is very kindly sent to me by Mr Diecastracerx, who runs a very enjoyable YouTube channel. And on his channel he has various scratch built racing circuits, and down which race various die cast cars like Hot Wheels and Matchbox, Johnny Lightning, so on and so forth. All those races are part of a league. I am part of a league, and every now and again Mr Diecastracerx holds a little mystery box competition. Guess how many cars are in the box. And I was fortunate enough to get the correct answer on one particular occasion. I guessed 74. And Mr Diecastracerx said, because I'm based in, overseas in England, he was going to send me a slightly different prize, which was very nice of him, and thank you very much. So with no further ado, here it is. I'll actually sanitise the addresses, but it's I took the liberty of opening it up earlier on. It's very well secured, and the first model out of the box is this really nice Hot Wheels Car Culture Race Day Acura NSX. There's a metal body and wheel riders tyres. This is a lovely card. We don't get this series at all here in England, and it's a lovely model. It's something like that. There we are. And as it says there, wheel rider tyres. You can see it like the glare. This is lovely. Thank you very much. Nice paint scheme. It's just let's see the back of it. Yeah, race day for the adult collector and big kids as well. That's what that should say. And some of the other vehicles. 2016 it's made, so probably released last year. Very nice, very colourful. Absolutely a lovely model. Thank you very much. Then the second vehicle. This is lovely from the M2 Machines series. It's really nice. 1965 Ford Econoline delivery van, the R11. This is a lovely vehicle. I don't recall seeing M2 Machines over in England either, so I'm really chuffed to bits with this one. Thank you very much. See, it's in a garage setting. Look at that paint scheme, that's awesome, isn't it? Powered by Ford, sort of snake there. That's lovely, isn't it? All kinds of different wheels there, and different hub caps. Very nice indeed. Notice up here, limited production, 6,000 pieces worldwide. Cool, wowee. That is something. Thank you very much. Fun for ages, that's right, it certainly is. Back. Right, what have we got? M2 machine, there's all the writing on it. That's lovely, isn't it? Very colourful packaging. Very nice. Makes a great gift. Yes it does. Thank you very much, sir. Yes. There they are, both the cars set out in their glory. Thank you very much again to Mr Diecastracerx for your very kind gift. Most enjoyable. Thank you very much. And if you're not a member of the Diecast Racing League, please check out Diecastracerx on YouTube, and join in the fun. And just want to finish now by saying thank you very much for watching my video, and until next time, take care.